Hello and welcome to Hindi Pathshala Online. Today's topic is from Rashtrabhasha Paper 2, Vache Badlo Part 2. I hope everyone have seen the Vache Badlo Part 1. If you have not seen the video, please go ahead and check the description. I will send you a link of Vache Badlo Part 1. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe this video, and you can share all this video to all your friends and classmates so they are also able to learn and benefit from us. So thank you in advance, children. So let's begin Vache Badlo Part 2 session. रावण को मारा, राम ने, so ने will remove and will make it राम से रावण मारा गया, मारा गया. It is we have it सरला ने दो फल खाए, सरला ने दो फल खाए. So again सरला ने will become the doer सरला, ने will become सरला से दो फल खाए गए, past tense. So Sarla ate two fruits. Two fruits were eaten by Sarla. Okay. 13th one. Ramesh आज रोटी नहीं खाएगा. Ramesh the doer. Ramesh आज रोटी नहीं खाएगा. नहीं खाएगा. Today Ramesh will not eat chapati, roti. So Ramesh say after the doer say आज रोटी खाई नहीं जाएगी. This is not this is ja. Children, just check it. Okay. So रमेश से आज रोटी खाई नहीं जाएगी. नहीं जाएगी. Okay. Next 14th one. पुलिस चोर को जरूर पकड़ेगी. पुलिस चोर को जरूर पकड़ेगी. The doer is police here. Okay. जरूर, definitely the police will catch the thief. Will catch the thief. So it is the future tense. So पुलिस से, the doer, पुलिस से चोर जरूर पकड़ा जाएगा. पकड़ेगी, पकड़ा जाएगा. We are not changing. The tense is same. Next sentence. हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएंगे. हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाएंगे. हमसे गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जाएगा. मनाएंगे will become मनाया जाएगा. So we will celebrate Republic Day. Republic Day will be celebrated by us. Okay. Now, next 16th one. पिताजी कब रुपए भेजेंगे? पिताजी कब रुपए भेजेंगे? Again, doer is पिताजी. So पिताजी से कब रुपए भेजे जाएंगे? It's the future. When will father send the money? When will father send the money? When the money will be sent by the father. Okay. Next is मैं पत्र लिखूंगा. मैं पत्र लिखूंगा. मुझसे पत्र लिखा जाएगा. मैं will become मुझसे. मैं से we cannot write. So we have to put मुझसे. That you have to remember. Always मैं, it will not become मैं से. It will always become मुझसे. मुझसे पत्र लिखा जाएगा. लिखूंगा, लिखा जाएगा. Okay. नौकर काम कर रहा है. Now doer is नौकर, काम कर रहा है. नौकर is working. So नौकर से काम किया जा रहा है. कर रहा है, किया जा रहा है. नौकर से काम किया जा रहा है. Okay. माँ खाना बनाती है. माँ खाना बना रही थी. So माँ से खाना बनाया जा रहा था. थी will become था. माँ से खाना बनाया जा रहा था. The revision time, which is the most crucial, most important part, where we can revise what we have understood. 1. मैं सवेरे उठ नहीं सकता का सही पर्सनल वॉइस क्या होगा? मैं सवेरे उठ नहीं सकता. So मैं will become, मैं is the doer here, so मैं will become मुझसे, as I told you earlier. So मैं सवेरे उठ नहीं सकता. So let's see, मैं सवेरे उठ नहीं जाता, उठा नहीं जाता. So this option is striked out. Then मुझसे सवेरे उठा नहीं जाता. So we will have मुझसे here. Then मुझसे सवेरे उठाया नहीं जाता. So here the meaning itself is changed. मुझसे is there, but उठा नहीं जाता we have changed to उठाया नहीं जाता, which is not correct. So मुझसे सवेरे उठ नहीं सकता. So this will also not correct. You cannot keep the sentence as it is. Okay. So मुझसे सवेरे उठा नहीं जाता. This is the correct option. This is our correct answer. 2. वह धूप में चल नहीं सकता का सही impersonal voice क्या होगा? So वह will become उससे. वह means he. धूप is sunlight, so he cannot walk in the sunlight. So वह धूप में चल नहीं सकता, so वह will become उस and say we have to add. So here we have उससे धूप में चला नहीं जाता, उससे धूप में चलाया नहीं जाता. Okay. In the second sentence, here the meaning of the verb itself is changing. Chala nahi jata, chalaya nahi jata. It's totally changed. So this is not allowed. Now, वह धूप में चला नहीं जाता. So वह anyways we have to change. So this also will not consider. उससे धूप में चल नहीं सकता. We cannot keep it as it is. We have to change it to a third type. So we cannot keep it as it is. We have to change. So वह धूप में, उससे धूप में चला नहीं जाता. चल नहीं सकता will become चला नहीं जाता. So this is our correct answer. We have is हम तेज दौड़ नहीं सकते का सही impersonal voice. हम will become हमसे is correct. So हमसे तेज दौड़ा नहीं जाता. Okay. हमसे तेज दौड़ाया नहीं जाता. So this is changing the meaning of the sentence. So हमसे तेज दौड़ा नहीं जाता. हमसे तेज दौड़ा नहीं जाता. Okay. Then हमसे तेज दौड़ नहीं सकते. So this is also not correct. Now in these two options, what can be the correct is हमसे तेज दौड़ा नहीं जाते and हमसे तेज दौड़ा नहीं जाता. So जाते is not the correct. हमसे तेज दौड़ा नहीं जाता. C is the correct answer. Okay. बूढ़ा देर तक बैठ नहीं सकता. बूढ़ा देर तक बैठ नहीं सकता का पर्सनल impersonal voice क्या होगा? बूढ़ा देर तक बैठ नहीं सका का सही impersonal voice, what it will be? So बूढ़ा will become बूढ़े से because it's to give respect it will become बूढ़ा. Old man you want to give respect will become बूढ़े से देर तक बैठ नहीं सका. So we cannot copy the sentence as it is. बूढ़े से देर तक बैठा नहीं गया. Okay, this we can consider बूढ़े से देर तक बैठा नहीं गया. Third sentence, बूढ़े से देर तक बैठाया नहीं गया. So it is changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay, बूढ़े देर. So here is no say here, so it cannot come into our options at all. So our correct answer is B. Okay, fifth option, the last question of this choice is हम बंद कमरे में सो नहीं सकते. सो नहीं सकेंगे. हम बंद कमरे में सो नहीं सकेंगे. So हम is the doer. We'll have to put हमसे. So in all four sentences we are having हमसे. So let's see the remaining part. हमसे बंद कमरे में सोया नहीं जाएगा. नहीं सकेंगे means it is in the future tense. So सोया नहीं जाएगा. Okay. Then let's see the second option. हमसे बंद कमरे में सो नहीं सकेंगे. So this we cannot keep it as it is. So हमसे बंद कमरे में सुलाया नहीं जाएगा. So this is again changing the meaning. हमसे बंद कमरे में सोया नहीं जाता. So सोया नहीं जाता is changing the tenses. Okay. So सकेंगे means future tense. Okay. We will not be able to sleep in closed room. Okay. So हमसे बंद कमरे में सोया नहीं जाएगा. This is A is our correct option. Okay. 5 out of 5 full marks, very good, excellent. If you're getting one mistake, still good. And if you're getting more than one mistake, then please go back and watch the video again. Okay, this is going to be very helpful for you. If you watch the video again and understand the concept, it is going to be helpful for you. Okay, it is going to be a 6 marks question. They'll give you 5 options, or they'll give you 5 options. You have to choose only 3 questions from that. So if you just go through my Vache Badlo part video 1 and Vache Badlo part 2, you will be thorough with all the sentences. No matter what type of sentence comes in the exam, you will be able to convert them easily. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. So please like, share and subscribe this video, and also send us a comment and share this channel with all your friends and classmates so they also will join us and benefit and learn from us. Thank you, friends. Bye.